Hello, my dear friends. Today we will be taking up banks, headquarters, and their taglines. So, basically, we have got several types of banks. We will be considering private banks and public sector banks, and then we will be talking about the Bank of Banks, which is your RBI, Reserve Bank of India, right? And then later on, we will be talking about some of the facts and much more. So stay tuned and let's get started. So we have got private banks to be first part of our video. So let's start with the very famous bank, which is your Axis Bank. So Axis Bank is basically having headquarters in your Mumbai, and the key person, MD and CEO, is your Amitabh Chaudhary, and chairman is Shri Rakesh Makhija. The tagline is बढ़ती का नाम जिंदगी. Next is your Bandhan Bank, and headquarters are there in Kolkata. MD and CEO are your Chandrasekhar Ghosh, and Anup Kumar Sinha is your chairman. Okay. Next is tagline आपका भला सबकी भलाई. Next we have is Catholic Syrian Bank, which is having headquarters in Thrissur, and CVR Rajendran is your MD and CEO. Support all the way is the tagline. City Union Bank, Kumbakonam, and the key person, CEO, is your Dr. N. Kamakodi, and the tagline is Trust and Excellence. Next is Development Credit Bank, headquarters are in Mumbai. Mr. Maruli M. Natarajan, MD and CEO. Mr. Nasser Munji is your chairman, and tagline is We Value You. Next is your Dhan Lakshmi Bank. Dhan Lakshmi Bank's headquarters is in Thrissur only, and MD and CEO is Sunil Gubarakshani and Sajeev Krishnan, chairman. So your tagline is Tan Man Dhan. Okay, so Dhan se yaad rakhiye, Tan Man Dhan. Next is your ECGC Bank. Its headquarters are also in Mumbai only. So you people must have been noticing you have got Axis Bank's headquarters in Mumbai. Development Credit Bank. Okay, Development Credit Bank is headquarters is also in Mumbai. Then your ECGC Bank has also its headquarters in Mumbai. Okay, so M. Senthil Nathan is your key person, and the tagline is You focus on exports, we cover the risks. Okay. Next is your Federal Bank. You people must have been noticing there are many banks headquarters which are present in Mumbai. So basically, if you just ever want to guess in the answer, just go with the option Mumbai. Somehow there will be a kind of chances that you get it correct. Okay. So now we have got Federal Bank. So the headquarters are in your Aluva, Kochi, and MD and CEO are your Shyam Srinivasan, and the tagline is Your Perfect Banking Partner. Next is your HDFC Bank, very famous, ICICI Bank, IDBI Bank, IDFC Bank. So these all banks headquarters are present in your Mumbai. HDFC Bank's CEO is your Aditya Puri. ICICI is basically Sandeep Bakshi. Then Girish Chandra Chaturvedi is your chairman. Next is IDBI Rakesh Sharma, and IDFC is your Mr. V. Vaidyanathan. Okay, so now let's talk about their taglines. HDFC का जो tagline है that is your We Value Your World. ICICI का है हमारे पास हम है ना ख्याल आपका. Then is banking means to say यहाँ पर आपके दो taglines दोनों में से कोई भी हो सकता है. Next is banking for all, आओ सोचे बड़ा. And IDFC First Bank is banking hatke. Okay, so these are your little unique taglines. Please do remember them. Next we have is IndusInd Bank. So you will get its headquarters in Pune, and MD and CEO are your Sumant Katpalia. And इसका जो tagline है We care दिल से, we make you feel richer. Okay. Then is your Ing Visya Bank, which is there in Bangalore. The spelling is little wrong. Please correct it. Then you have got Uday Sareen to be the key person, and it is Geo Easy. The tag is Geo Easy. Next is your Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Its headquarters are in Srinagar. and the key person is R.K. Chibber, and इसका जो tagline है that is serving to empower, right? Next we have got some other banks. Karnataka Bank, situated, its headquarters situated in Mangalore, and then it is your Mahabaleshwara MS is your MD and CEO, and इसकी जो tagline है we have got your family bank across India. Okay, across India means to say foreign exchange के लिए भी involved है. Karur Visya Bank is in Karur only, and chairman is your NS Srinath. Smart way to bank is the tagline. Kotak Mahindra Bank is also in Mumbai. You people see here Mumbai, all your main banks are present in Mumbai only. Uday Kotak is the founder and Prakash Apte is the chairman. Let's make money simple is the tagline. Next moving on to Lakshmi Vilas Bank. So Lakshmi Vilas Bank का जो हमारे पास headquarters हैं, they are there in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. S. Sundar is the chairman, and your tagline is the changing phase of prosperity. Nainital Bank, नैनीताल में ही है in Uttarakhand, and MD and CEO are your Dinesh Pant. Banking with personal touch. Next is Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. Okay, it is Thuthukudi. It is their headquarters are present in Thuthukudi, and MD and CEO is KV Ramamurthy. Be a step ahead of life. Next is UCO Bank. Headquarters are in Kolkata, and MD and CEO are your Shri Atul Kumar Goyal, and honors your trust is the tagline. Next is again Yes Bank, again in Mumbai. So the MD and CEO is your Prashant Kumar. Experience are expertise. Okay, so you people must have noticed that all your main banks which you have come across till now, like you people have been using daily, so they are your private banks, and also most of them are situated in Mumbai. Okay, next is your public sector banks. See, sometimes the government run banks are actually, they do not show that much performance as a private bank show. So there comes the merging. So there is a merging of banks in which a bank's performance can be improved by the other. So if you people have heard about the that घोटाला that happened in your Yes Bank, like कुछ 13,000 करोड़ का जो उसमें हुआ था. So basically now it is under your government. I mean, it has been merged with other banks so that its performance can be improved and all the things can be accessed, right? तो इसीलिए कई बार बहुत सारे जो बैंक्स होते हैं उनको आपस में मर्ज किया जाता है, right? Next is your public sector banks. You people would have been missing your SBI Bank, which is also one of the famous banks you have ever been using. तो आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि where is SBI? So SBI is a public sector bank. Let's study here. Its headquarter is also present in Mumbai only. Please remember. And Dinesh Kumar Kharra is your key person. So इसकी जो हमारे पास different taglines हैं, we have got with you all the way, pure banking, nothing else, the nation bank on us, the banker to every Indian, a bank of the common man, right? Yes, that's very common. So SBI is literally very common. Next is your Punjab National Bank. See, Punjab National Bank को भी merge कर दिया गया है, right? Anchor Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India. ठीक है, and its headquarters are there in New Delhi. Sunil Mehra is the key person and the name you can bank upon. Okay, next is your Canara Bank. So it is there in Bengaluru, and so the person is your Lingam Venkata Prabhakar. Together we can is the tagline. Next is your Indian Bank in headquarters in Chennai, and Miss Padmaja Chundru is your key person, and इसमें आएगा आपका your own bank, Indian Bank में, ठीक है. Union Bank of India, again Mumbai. See, I'm very much stressing on these because you will be able to easily remember these things. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो key person है, it is राज किरण राय जी, and यहाँ पे जो tagline है, good people to bank with. ठीक है, अभी जैसे इन्होंने गुड पीपल टू बैंक विद करा है, ऐसे ही इंडियन ओवरसीज़ का आपके पास गुड पीपल टू ग्रो विद आ जाएगा. बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो इट इज़ देयर इन वडोदरा, गुजरात, एंड संजीव चड्डा इज़ योर बेसिकली की पर्सन. इंडियाज़ इंटरनेशनल बैंक, इंटरनेशनल मीन्स फॉरेन एक्सचेंज कैन बी डन. नेक्स्ट इज़ योर यूसीओ बैंक, कोलकाता, वेस्ट बंगाल. Atul Kumar Goyal is basically the key person, and the tagline is honors your trust. Indian Overseas Bank is there in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Pratha Pratim Sen Gupta is your key person, and the tagline is good people to grow with. Moving on to Bank of India, its headquarter is also in Mumbai. Atanu Kumar Das, यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे the tagline is relationship beyond banking. I mean, why did they just choose this? Okay, like what else you need apart from banking from a bank? Okay, तो अब यहाँ पे देखिए आप बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. Its headquarters are there in Pune. A.S. Rajiv is the key person. One family, one bank. Punjab and Sindh Bank, headquarters are in New Delhi. You people would have come across that the Punjab National Bank is having actually its headquarters in Delhi. So here also Punjab and Sindh Bank are having headquarters in New Delhi, and your key person is S. Krishnan. The tagline is where service is a way of life. Central Bank of India, again Mumbai. Pallav Mohapatra, okay, must be an ODC. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपका जो tagline है, it is central to you since 1911. So we have got Reserve Bank of India, right? I will be just taking up what does the board consist of and how many zonal offices are there. Then we have got some of the facts which we'll be discussing in the next part of this same topic. So stay tuned for that. Let's just continue this central board wala part. So central board consists of your governor. Number one is your governor. See, the fact that I want to tell you about RBI is that RBI is not a government aided bank. It is a privately run bank. Please remember. Okay. Then governor. Then 4 deputy governors are there under governor. Then 2 finance ministry representatives, 4 directors to represent local boards, which are headquartered at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and New Delhi. Then there are 10 government nominated directors to represent important elements from Indian economy. So this is the central board of your RBI, okay, your RBI, and it consists of these people. Next is RBI has 4 zonal offices. So you know New Delhi for north, Chennai for south, Kolkata for east and Mumbai for west. And it has 19 regional offices. It has 3 training colleges for the officers. One is there in Mumbai, it is Bankers Training College. Other is in Chennai, Reserve Bank Staff College, and the third one is there in Pune. So it is College of Agricultural Banking. So I hope it is enough for today for you to learn also and revise. Stay tuned in for more content. I am going to post the rest part in tomorrow's video, right, wherein I will be covering some of the facts and also the rest part of the bank headquarters and taglines. Okay, thank you so much for being here. Thank you.